These are the Tacoma Twins back panels, and this is how you do the install. First, you're going to remove the hanger in the back, twist it, and then pull it, and it should come right off. You're going to put the 5/16 nut right on the tool, spin it on there, make sure the arms are out. Then you're going to insert it into the hole, and then you squeeze. You're going to have to do it twice. So unscrew it. You have to make sure there's no play whatsoever in it. Get your 1/4 inch nut and spacer, put it at the top corner with the bracket. Loosely put the bracket on so you can adjust later. Then you will take the 5/16 bolt, put it through, spacer in the back, and then you're going to loosely put it. Once you have the panel back there, adjust where you want it. Once you've made your decision, get a tool or a pen and mark where you need a drill. You need to get a 25/64 inch drill bit and drill into the holes. Next, you're going to get the 5/16 rivet nut, put it on your tool, and insert it in the hole. Squeeze down. Next, you're going to put the 5/16 nut and spacer into the rivet nuts. Make sure you move it exactly where you want it towards the end. And there you go. You have the Tacoma Twins back panels.